Namaskar, everyone. I'm very thrilled to present before you on December the 8th for the SJC conference my paper on In Search of the Sacred Tree of Jagannath Puri. Now, the Neelakalebara, which happens, is a specific ritual which is nothing but establishment, re-establishment or re-embodiment of old idols of the Chaturtha Murti of Sri Jagannath, Sri Balbhadra, Devi Subhadra and Sri Sudarshana. So all of the, because of the wear and tear of every year of the Rath Yatra and washing and pulling and drawing and so on and so forth, the handling of it, the murtis deteriorate. And so at every interval of, let's say, 8 years or 12 years, or let's say even 19 years, they have to change the murti. And the murtis cannot just be changed. There's a 12-step process which involves not just the Kshotriya Brahmins, where there is a dream involved, but not Swapna mantra has to be chanted by a select few. And not just that, it goes through like a whole process of, looking for the Daru tree, the Brahma Daru tree, which is nothing but a neem tree, but it's not an ordinary neem tree. It's interesting that they chose the neem tree and not any other tree. Like here I am sitting here, there are loads of, as you can see, some junipers behind me. Now, the thing is, why is it specifically neem tree? That's my particular research, because I feel very passionately about trees and oils and its connection with astrology and astronomy. So what is it about Lord Jagannath that he prefers the neem tree? Through this presentation, we will come up with many shocking and mystical, very deeply spiritual, and as well as astrological facts and the use of certain trees and Swapna Shastra, as well as timing. What is fascinating is after this ritual is over, which usually begins around Ram Navami in Chaitra Shukla, and or Dashami by the Uriya month, in Baisak by the Uriya month. Typically it goes on for a few weeks, the search, and it's like a whole procession. And after it is completed, this particular Rath Yatra or Neelakalebara Yatra attracts at least 3 million people across the world. So this is what is fascinating. So what is it about this tree? So through this presentation, you will also learn much more about the importance of the sacredness of the tree, and as well as specific remedies that you can employ in order to, especially of the roots of the trees and so on and so forth. So there's also another factor about this. All the Daitya servitors, the little team of people who are meant to go look for this mystical, this beautiful tree of Neem, they are meant to chant in front of goddess Mangla temple in Mangla Devi in Kakatpur, along with the Swapnavati mantra, which is a specific mantra, so that they get a dream, so they are directed in their dream as to which direction this tree would be. This is such a fascinating journey, and there are so many, and what is even more fascinating is the various stringent ritualistic steps. There are 12 of them, and they are followed almost to perfection. And also, this is not an ordinary neem tree. So we will explore a wide gamut of things, including some of the root remedies that trouble us, and so because trees form a very fascinating part, and they also get connected to the nakshatras and the rashis. And of course, we all know that the ninth house, which is Jupiter, the Naisargika ruler is Jupiter, is the overseer of trees. But why specifically Neem? So which Rashi rules the Neem? So all of this we will be discovering. Perhaps an hour will be far less, but anyway, I'm very much looking forward. So do join me and hope to see you there. Thank you very much. Jai Jagannath.